How to build trust and authority among your subscribers. Building a mailing list is a fantastic accomplishment and one that will prove very fruitful for any internet marketer. But this is not the end in itself, but rather the means to an end. What that end is depends on your business model and how you intend to earn money from your online activities. But in any case, the objective is to make sure that your subscribers trust you and that they are keen to read future messages from you. It's not enough to have their email addresses. You need their attention, and you need their trust. Here's how you get it. Firstly, it is important to recognize that you are in a privileged position once someone gives you their email address. This is already a sign of trust, so your first job is not to abuse that trust. The best way you can go about doing that is to make sure that you aren't simply using your emails to sell to your list. If all you are doing is promoting your products, then it will only be a matter of time before you lose your subscribers. Instead, what you need to do is to provide value in each and every email. In other words, provide free information, useful advice, or entertainment. You need to ensure that your audience feels it was worth their while to read your message. And that's also one reason that you should be keeping your messages short, so that you don't waste their time. When providing information, make sure that it is not only accurate, but also insightful, and better than the information they get elsewhere. Try to make each message into a mini epiphany for your readers, so that the next time they have a question, they come to you. You want them to think, that guy or gal usually makes sense. What do they think? Another useful tip is to try and speak in a friendly and direct manner. Share personal stories, and generally be a little more intimate via email than you might be through other forms of marketing, or even on your own blog. This will allow your audience to feel as though they are getting to know you, which in turn will make you more likable and thus more trustworthy. Finally, make sure that when you do have something to sell, it is something you really believe in. People can tell when you're trying to sell junk, and if they buy once, you can be sure they won't again.